Hi there guys, so it's Yui. So today we're gonna make an AppMit Inventor locked calculator inside this website called Mit App Inventor. So first of all, we're gonna kick off with a new project, which we're gonna call it locked calculator. So we have a new white screen here. So first of all, we have to get a few things. So first of all, we need a vertical arrangement. Now we go to properties and find this alignment. Go to make it to center, both vertical and horizontal. And then the height should be fill parent. So will be as a width. You can also change the background color. So I'd like it something light. So this will be it. Now we need three things: a text box, a button, and a label. So we don't need to change the text box or the text, but we have to change the hint into nothing. So we don't want anything at the back. The button, we'll call it login. Also, the component, you should also change the name. Make sure you won't mess up during your coding part. Okay, so for this label, we're just not going to type anything. Okay, so now we have everything on this screen. Now let's go to the block part. So for this block part, we need to go to login, find this first button, find the first block you'll find, which is when login.click do. After that, we'll get to go to control, find this if then else. Drag it on the input. Now there's three things, if then else, so we're gonna start with if. So for the if part, we have to go to logic, find the fourth block, which will be this green block with two inputs and an equal sign. Oh, we also messed up something. We have to go to variables, find this initialize global name too. Well, we're not listing up names, we're listing up passwords. So our password will be, now we go to text, find this first block, which will be absolutely nothing in the middle. Text your password, so the password will be called x47ghk. There we go. Then, let's go back to this part. You put your mouse on top. Don't click anything. On top. And then you'll get either this one or this one. Now we're getting this get global password. Okay, so after you put this global password, it should be text box 1.text at the front, and then global password at the back. Okay, now we finally did not miss the if part. The then part should be open a new screen, but we have to add a screen first. So the screen will be calculator. There we go. So now we go to control. Oh, back to screen one. Go to control. Find this. Open another screen name. And then go to text. Let's just text the screen name, which will be calculator. Okay, make sure you didn't type anything wrong, or else it's not going to open the screen. There we go. Else, we have to go to label one, find this set label one.text too. Go to text, find the first block you will find. Text something that means you got the wrong password. So I'm just gonna write the wrong password. There we go. Now, after this password, we have to go to, so this is the login part. So what I did is, first of all, you type your password, which in my case would be x47ghk, and then you press login. And if you did not type x47ghk, then this mostly invisible label will turn the text from nothing to wrong password. So if you did got it right, then it will change to this screen, which right now it's empty, but let's get to the part. So we need two text boxes for the calculator, a label, a horizontal arrangement, and 4 buttons. For the assignments are of your choice, but I like the buttons to be on the bottom. So for the text, this will be add, this will be minus, this will be times, this will be division, and so will the names. So this will be plus, this will be minus, this will be time, this will be division. I'm just gonna go to the IB. The label, the text should be result, and the name will also be result at this point. We don't need to change the text box names. So let's go to the block part. Okay. So the block part, we need 4 things. When plus dot click do, we have to find this, copy and paste 4 times, which will be Ctrl C V, VV on Windows. Now we don't want 4 plus, we want these. So one will be minus, one will be times, one will be division, and one will be plus. So I do it in each rows in order to not mess them up. So first of all, we need to go to set at the result, find this set result.text2, drag it in, copy and paste 3 times, and we go to math, find this, add, drag it to the plus part, for the minus, drag it to the minus part, for the times, with the multiplication part, drag it to the times, and the slash would mean division. Okay, so the last thing we have to do is this, find this text box 1.text, drag it in, copy and paste it once, drag it in, but a very careless mistake that most people do is it's text box 2 and text box 1. Okay, so we're gonna copy it, paste it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also, a very small notice. If you accidentally double click your mouse, you'll find this a little sharp end. If you want to return it to its own looking, which is this, then double click it back and it'll be fine. Okay? Because I did that many times and I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. So there we go, pretty much all of it. So what I did right now is, so this one, the when plus dot click do is set result dot text to text box 1.text add text box 2.text. Oh my god, it means, so maybe if we put 20 inside this text box and 20 on the other text box, and then press plus, then it'll be 40. If we press minus, then it will be 0. If we press times, it will be 400. If you press the slash, which will be division, it will be 1. Does this make sense? Okay, so I'm gonna decorate it a little bit. So I'll see you guys within a second. Okay, so a little update for what I did right now. So basically, I put it in the center. So what I did is put a vertical arrangement, make it feel parent, and then drag everything inside. And then the alignment horizontal and the alignment vertical will. So I change into center. And then I change the color into any color I want from the custom. So I drag like nice sky blue in, and yeah, voila. So now after you did all this, well, you can't use it until you align it with the phone. So you may ask me, hey Yui, how would you make it on the phone? So you go to this one, which is called Connect, find this AI companion, and then you go to your phone. Go to App Store or Google Play or whatever, which can download an app. And then download an app called Mint App Inventor, which should have a logo looking like this. So stop the video right now, download it, and open it. Okay, have you did it? Okay, that's good. Now you may see three things on the screen. First of all, the first thing you see on the screen is a text box and an app, that app. And then two buttons, which one of them will be scan QR code, one will be join with code, right? So if you press on the first one, which you want to use the first one, you put this code, which will be ANEGLD, but of your choice. If you're making another, like mine, you press the connect every time it's not the same. So you see, not every single time it's the same. See? Also the QR code. Don't scan mine, okay? Mine won't even work. So scan yours. Either put the code into the text box and then press on the use code. But if you ask me, I prefer to scan QR code. So scan the QR code on your screen, not on mine. Mine will work. This one won't work for you. So scan it and then turn it on. Oh, also remember something. If you go in, make sure you change the screen into screen one first. Or else you have to press the home on the left top corner. So try it. I think it looks I feel like it's good, right? I'm gonna try it at home later. Remember to press the subscribe button, guys. So I'll see you next time.